When you click on the compose email, you will see that next to the send button, there's a drop down where you can click on schedule send. It will initially show you some standard dates and times that have been chosen for you, but you can actually choose your own date and time by clicking on select time and date. Here you could see all of the dates. You can click on a date and you can put whatever time you want. And whenever you're done choosing, all you have to do is click on schedule send. Now, if you want to check the emails that you have scheduled to send, you could see them on the left side of the panel, here where it says scheduled. In case some changes happen and you don't want the email to send, you can simply check on cancel send, and that will bring you back to the email as a draft, and you can make all the changes you need. If you want to add a signature to every email that you send, all you have to do is go to the top side of the page, click on the gear icon, and select settings. Now here you have all of your settings, and all you want to do is scroll down until you find the signature section right here. So what you want to do is create a new one, and I will just call it everyday hacks signature, and then you'll want to click on create, and the usual signature should include your name. In this case, I will just write the name of the channel. It would usually need to have a phone number. Just make one up here, and it would be useful if you were to add a email address, just like that. Now, you just have to make sure you don't include anything too personal, like your home address, because just keep in mind that this signature will be seen by anyone who gets an email from you. So once you've chosen your signature, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and make sure you press Save Changes. There. Now, every time you compose an email, your signature will appear automatically on the bottom.